In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 7-zip error. There is some data after the end of the payload data. This message usually appears when 7-zip detects extra or unexpected bytes at the end of an archive. It doesn't always mean your files are corrupt, but it can prevent a clean extraction. I'll walk you through two simple methods to resolve it, starting with the most reliable approach. First, let's update 7-zip. Open your browser and download the latest 7-zip installer from the official website. Using the newest version ensures you have the most up-to-date extraction engine and bug fixes, which often clears up format quirks that trigger this error. Once the download finishes, run the installer and complete the setup. After installation, go back to your archive and try extracting the files again with 7-zip. Many times the update alone resolves the issue, especially if the archive was made with a newer tool or slightly different compression settings. If the error still appears, move to the second method, which involves changing how Windows and 7-zip recognize the file. Open File Explorer and go to the View menu. Click Show, then enable File Name Extensions. This makes the file's extension visible so you can change it. Locate your archive, select it, and rename the file extension to .rar. When Windows asks you to confirm the change, click Yes. Don't worry, you're not altering the contents, just telling Windows and 7-zip to treat it as a RAR file, which can help if the archive was packaged in a way that aligns more closely with RAR structures. Now try extracting it with 7-zip. Hold the Shift key and right-click the file to open the full context menu. Click on 7-zip, then choose Extract here. Holding Shift is important on some systems because it reveals the expanded menu, ensuring the 7-zip options are visible. If the archive is valid, 7-zip should unpack it in the same folder without the payload error. A couple of quick tips as you work. If the rename doesn't help, you can always change the extension back to what it was. And when testing, extract to a folder with plenty of free space so nothing fails midway. That's it. Start with updating 7-zip, then enable file name extensions, rename to .rr, and extract using 7-zip's extract here. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to get past the error and access your files. Thanks for watching.